and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already clicked the subscribe button, please make sure you do. So me and Frank are here to tell you about Minis Milkshakes 2023. So you may have seen the previous video from last year of Minis Milkshakes. If you haven't, head to my channel and you can watch the video from last year. So as I covered the tickets and everything from last year and the entry process, I thought I'd show you a slightly different setup this year. So I was actually one of the traders, so I got there slightly earlier, so 8:30 start, ready for a 10 o'clock opening for my MPP stand. So I thought I'd just show you how we set that up and how the show started to appear when everybody started to drive in, get there, and it started to get busy. So the tickets are the same process as last year. You purchased them online. They sold out really quickly. So I think there was over 200 people on the waiting list waiting for tickets. It was a really popular event, and it definitely didn't disappoint with the day in total. So there was a 24/7 clothing stand. There was Kill Chrome selling mini accessories. There was Cakes of Daisy with their desserts. This year, Cakes of Daisy weren't doing the milkshakes because Rapido, of course, last year, unfortunately, got their van stolen, so they couldn't do the milkshakes. They were just doing coffees. So Cakes of Daisy are back to doing their desserts this year. Rapido was doing the milkshakes, which of course you get a milkshake token with your ticket. And then we had Enjoy Barbering, where you could get your hair cut on the day. We had the Detail Kitchen, which weren't there last year, so they were a new addition. They were selling all their valeting cleaning supplies, and they of course were really popular on the day. Then myself, which is MPP UK, so 3D printed parts. And then of course UK Minis were meant to attend, which I was really looking forward to, but unfortunately he couldn't make it. But really great guy. If you don't already follow them on Instagram, make sure you do. So if you want to see more about the entry process, it was the same as last year, so please head over to my channel and watch the video from last year. Hopefully I managed to catch your mini while I was there. If not, massive apologies, but do make sure you head over to the 24/7 Photography Facebook page to see if they captured your mini when you drove in. Thank you so much and enjoy. So we're just all set up now. We've got the little stand all set up, and we've brought my dog Lily with us as well. So I'm just going to go out and have a look around and see who's here today. So they are still setting people up. You'll see in the background just here, but there is quite a lot of people here already. The music's on, it's looking busy, so I'm sure we're going to have a really good day. So here's the stand once we got to set it up. Really appreciated having a gazebo because of course with the sun it was really hot day, so it's quite nice to hide away in a bit of shade. Here's Lily keeping everyone entertained and looking super cute. Then here's a look at some of the products that we were selling on the MPP stand on the day. Then we'll have a look at the 24/7 merchandise stand, which is all their clothing. They had really cool bandanas that had Minis Milkshakes on for dogs on the day. There's quite a lot of them sporting them bandanas. They look really cool. You'll see them in that image just there. As you can see, it was really sunny. There was a lot of reflection as it was a really bright day. Then Kill Chrome were there with their collection of modified minis, as they sell modified mini parts. Then we had JoJo's Fish and Chips, but they didn't actually open till 11, so they did get busier throughout the day. We had Cakes of Daisy, who were selling out of their van, as they had a gazebo last year, so they're just selling out the van. Then of course we had the Detail Kitchen, who are based over in Telford, and they had all their cleaning and valeting supplies for everyone to purchase. They do host a few meets of their own, so you may see them on Facebook or Instagram. Then Enjoy Barbering, they're based in Stafford. They had haircuts available on the day, and they had a really funky stand. So there were two sections to the display cars on show. there was the gravelled car section. So that was cars that have been asked to be on display, like this lovely GP3 and this lovely modified classic Mini that you'll see in a moment, along with some other Minis that you may have seen at the previous Minis and Milkshakes. So we'll have a look around them first, and then we'll go have a look around the cars that have come in as part of the ticketed display. This little yellow after free coming up was one of the ones that won one of the giveaway prizes. I don't know how Mitch and Cyrus chose the giveaway prizes, as there were so many great standard cards there on the day. What I loved most was all the different generations were there. So there was loads of different minis, not just the F model. There were classic minis, there were Gen 1, there were the R shape, and not just the 3-door hatches as well. There were the other models there on the day as well. So it was a really great show. There were lots of clubs that attended as well, so they all got to park together. There weren't any official club stand sections, but they were all parked together by the marshals and the staff on the day. This coupe here actually won the 4th giveaway, which I didn't get on the recordings of the giveaways later in the video. So he actually won a prize from the MPP stand, and that's Chris's son there. there's lovely red Mini here, and a few other minis you might recognise from British Mini Club shows in the West Midlands if you attend them, or you might recognise them from my previous videos. So if you head over to my channel, I've got a video for Sandon Hall, which we attended as part of West Midlands Mini Owners Group, and then we also did a video for the biggest indoor show, or the biggest mini indoor show, that's normally on in January at the start of the year. So there's actually 250 or round about that ticket scanned. So that means there was just over 250 minis there, which seems quite a lot. So as you can imagine, it was quite a lot of cars to try and get footage of. So hopefully I managed to get everyone. But if not, if you head over to the 24/7 photography page on Facebook, they should have an album on there with MINIS Milkshakes, and it'll have entry photos and also photos throughout the day as well. I will admit, the minis that I did not get footage for on the day were the Edwards of Stafford minis. I thought I did, but I obviously haven't got the footage for it, so I do apologise for that. But they did have two really lovely mini GP ones, and whenever I go to a mini show, I always have a little soft spot for GP ones, as my dad has them. So I always keep an eye out for them. So it was really nice to see Edwards of Stafford's GP ones, and the reason that came to mind is, of course, as we've just seen this GP2 in the photo there.
this mini was recently wrapped, and that was actually one of the ones that won one of the giveaway prizes. So you'll hear that later on in the video. So then it got to about 1 o'clock or just after, and they announced the giveaways. So luckily enough, I got that on a recording.
Classic, you've been awarded the full 24/7 shoot and video, which is worth £300. So second is a £50 Killal Chrome voucher. Yeah, big cheer for Killal Chrome. And that goes to the purple, out in the field again, purple F56, registration number J44SFR. That's J44SFR. So if you are still here, which I hope you are, please head over to the Killal Chrome stand and they will look after you there. The next is £50 worth of 24/7 items. So that's £50 worth of 24/7 items. And that goes to registration number TH53MOL. That's TH53MOL, which we believe is a yellow R53.
So as the event comes to a close, it's now time for everyone to say goodbye, and all the cars start leaving in preparation for the 2 o'clock finish. So it's a nice and early finish for the show, so it doesn't drag out too long, which is great because people can still do things with their day, which is always great. I'm always keen to showcase other minis on my channel, so if you have got a modified mini and you'd like to feature on my channel and you are local to the West Midlands, then don't hesitate to drop me a message on Instagram. That will be shown just at the end of the video, which is xMollyD.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
So just got home from MINIS Milkshakes, and as you can probably tell, it has been a really, really hot day, but it's been a really great day. So thank you so much to 24/7 Photography and Edwards of Stafford and all the traders and all the staff that helped make the day happen. Had a really great day on the MPP stand, so thank you so much to anyone who came out and bought anything from the MPP stand. You can head over to the website as well, which is www.mpp-uk.co.uk if you wanted to purchase anything from there, if you didn't manage to get a chance while you were at the show. I also got a MINIS Milkshake bag, which I'll show you in a second. Again, that was from the Little Bag Studio, which was on the 24/7 stand. They've still got stock of them, so if you do want to purchase one of them, again, just head over to their Instagram, which is the Little Bag Studio. So it was a really good day. I think there's about 250 minis in total, so 250 tickets were scanned, which was really great. It was a really great show because there's lots of different generations, there's loads of classics, loads of F models, loads of R models, and it was just a really great mood throughout the day, even though it was really, really hot, which is always what you want at a car show. It was still a really great mood and everyone was really friendly. There was fish and chips by JoJo's Fish and Chips, which I mentioned. Of course, they went down a treat. And of course, the Rapido's milkshakes. Everybody wanted to get their milkshake. Everyone wanted to purchase a milkshake, so they went down really well. Then you had Cakes to Daisy selling their desserts. I saw some of them and they looked amazing. And we had the Detail Kitchen, we had Kill or Crime, we had Enjoy Barbers, 24/7, and we had the MPP stand as well. Sandon Hall's really beautiful, so you would have seen inside. It's a really great place to be, and just driving in and out, we did get some shots as it's such a great place. If you haven't already, make sure you head over to the 24/7 Photography Facebook page where you can see all the photos from MINIS and Milkshakes, see if they managed to capture your car. They got hundreds and hundreds of shots, so hopefully they did, and hopefully you would have seen your Mini at some point in the video. So thanks again at 24/7 Photography and Edwards of Stafford. Can't wait to go again next year. I'm sure everybody else feels the same as everybody else's feedback was. It was a really, really great day. And it's also fabulous to catch up with people in the mini scene and meet new people that I haven't met before. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to share any of my videos on your social media channels. Thank you so much.